Hello everyone and welcome to a new video from my yard. Today I'm going to tell you how to find your lost Android device with your computer. Keep up. So you may be wondering, why ain't I completing the command series, the Chrome commands one? Well, I have a Facebook page, as I announced before. Link will be in the description. You may go and like there. So as I was saying, I have a Facebook page, and I posted a poll there asking my audience whether I start a new topic or do I continue the Chrome commands series. What I got as the result that you're seeing right now is what the audience wanted, which was to start a new topic. So that's why I'm starting a new topic. So in this video, I'll show you how to find your lost device. So first we go there and we write find your device. Then it'll open this page. We'll scroll down a bit and choose find your phone, or let's say find your device Google, not only phone. It will open this page. So let's say the interface first. First we have here the map of the location of the device. We have here the account, the devices linked to the account, and the option that we'll discuss now. So first, I'll tell you how this works. On Android devices, when you set up it for the first time, if you just bought it or if you made factory reset, it asks you for the Google account. If you don't have one, you must create one. You cannot, absolutely not, download anything from the Play Store without a Google account. So you should have one. So how this works is, by the second you click sign in after putting your email and password on the device and on the computer laptop, which I'm working with right now, so it has access to the device. So here we have the device and the laptop linked with the same account. So the laptop can access the mobile and the mobile can access the laptop, because the mobile doesn't have options like the laptop has, so it cannot access it like the laptop access, but it can, but not like the laptop access. So after we went here, we will go and choose the first one. So what will happen here is that the device will ring for 5 minutes, even if set to silent. But the problem here is that it can't reach device, which means powered off, which I did on purpose. So if you go here and click on it, your device will ring in 5 minutes. But that will not help if your device is in Antarctica and you're in Europe or just Russia waiting for your device to be located. So it will ring and maybe the penguins will hear it and just put it in the ocean or something, if it was not in the ocean already. But so first we will click on it. First we will go here and click on it, and the signal will go to the device and it will ring. So I do not suggest this one if your phone or your device is not near you. So second, here we have the secure device. So this one allows you, if someone took it from you, but if you're in the street or something, walking with your friend, shopping, if it fell, or just you do not have it, and you can make it so penguins won't take it, but just penguins will not take it. So here go to the secure device, and what will happen here? Log device and sign out of your Google account. You'll ask me, just if you complete, it says you can still locate the device after it's locked. So just, hey, you did say that it takes full access to the device because it's linked in to the account. So why doesn't it take access? Why does it take access while you do not have the account in? So here's the answer. From the moment you click on the button sign in after you wrote your mail and password, full access is now on your device. It's how it works. That's how Google make it, and it's the best way that will ever be created and will help you find your devices. Hopefully, if penguins didn't take them. Then, so we have the erase device. There's an option called factory reset. What happens is that it erases all your content and it's now as new. You can do it from the laptop here and it will do the same purpose. So you'll ask me, why didn't you click them? Because I made my device can't reach or a part of, which is why he said can't reach device. So here I have my tablet and here I have my old phone. Just you see it's small and this one is a little bit bigger. So just it. By the way, in this map you can scroll a bit and do zoom in with the scroll until you find where your mobile is, if it didn't take it automatically and went on to the exact location. There is an application for the location, but it's worth money, also from Google. So it takes you $40 or something. And what happens is that it tells you the latitude and longitude of the device, so it's really accurate. And by the way, it won't tell you penguins took it. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If it is so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss my future videos. Also, what you want next time so I can make it to you. Thanks.